Hello everyone, we are back from Medina Jumeirah and we are at the start of JBR walk. हमने थोड़ा थोड़ा cover किया हुआ है already, but we thought we'll give you a full guided tour. So this is where it starts. And yeah, there are some residential places, some hotels. Yeah, let's take you for a walk. There's Ruha. We need to clean Ruha up, and what we're looking for at the moment. See you guys can see the Hilton there. Let me zoom in. Right, yes, that's the Hilton. So हम वहाँ पे जा चुके हैं उस साइड पे already. But so we'll go there, walk and try to find what? Cheesecake Factory. It's far? How far? So
one of the main reasons we booked Intercontinental
what?
was this walk,
Right.
which we are doing on the last day.
तो हमें था कि हम पैसे पूरे करें.
Justify करें. And look at Ruhi.
Huh?
Ruhi.
Ruhu is fascinated as well. And cars galore in Dubai. I think आज हमने मैक्लेरन देखी है 2 बार. एक मैक्लेरन देखी थी, एक बेंटली की कोई स्पोर्ट्स कार थी. तो गाड़ियों के मामले में तो आई हैव नॉट सीन एनी अदर कंट्री विद दीज टाइप ऑफ कार्स. See, there are hotels like this on the JBR walk. किसी को बिल्कुल JBR walk पर चले उसको ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, उसको कॉफ़ी पीनी है. Dodge.
हमने आई थिंक हमारा लंच बोल लो या प्री डिनर इतना हैवी किया हुआ है
हाँ,
कि अभी मेरा बिल्कुल कुछ खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा.
तभी शायद हम वॉक कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
कि हमें भूख लग जाए.
I need coffee. I'll get the coffee.
That's the vibe of JBR walk, I guess. I think, but one thing for sure that we'll say is, I don't know, is it because the expo, but getting a cheap taxi, हमने पहले ही बोला था. I think we've experienced that on all 3 days.
And even for the farthest places and nearest places also. But I'm so happy to see everyone out. It's like normal tourism.
I think, yeah. Oh, yeah. That way, yes.
More than normal actually.
Right. This.
It's not like, because I saw one of the vlogs by a YouTuber and he had gone to Singapore and everything was empty and there's no vibe.
Right.
So obviously you want to have less crowd but you want to see that vibe also.
Right.
तो वो I'm happy कि वो सब हमें देखने को मिल गया at least.
Yeah, that hustle and bustle you need. That's the busiest, I guess. मैं करता हूँ. अरे right. So we have Ruhi back in her.
Yes, like carrier mode in this trip.
Right. I think Tim Hortons and अब वो वाला सेक्शन आने वाला जहाँ हम जा चुके हैं.
ये इंडिया प्लेस यहाँ बैठे थे ना. कैफे दे रूमा.
Where is it?
कैफे दे रूमा.
हाँ, okay, yeah, that's the place.
जहाँ हमने फर्स्ट डे किया था लंच.
जहाँ हमने फर्स्ट लंच किया था. There's an Indian restaurant. Oh, and there's another McLaren. Man, how many McLarens are there? Look at this, Tanya. Or is this? Yeah, that's a McLaren. And it's not very comfortable to sit for sure. I know it's very glitzy, and you see from the outside it's not very convenient. Oh, there's a noodle house. Amma? Noodle house. जब हमने वहाँ देखा था. We are at the beach. It looks very happening. That area. Maybe after cheesecake.
We can go to the beach for a walk.
So another supercar. The weather is so nice.
Love it. Love the
That's the Roxy Cinema.
Love the vibe. Love my company. Company of my Baba. And my Papa.
The food square. And you can see all these Bentleys. Hot. That's a blue Bentley. And you haven't seen a blue Bentley ever. And if you are feeling itchy about supercars, you can always rent luxury cars.
You want to? I think ये सारी rented
Wait,
ही
careful.
होंगी। ये सारी rented होंगी जो खड़ी हुई है।
हो सकता है. They want to. And look, one more way where kids can have fun. They're riding their own bikes. See how happy they are. पीछे मम्मा ही बैठी है. ये अपना घूम रहा है. There are a couple of layers then. It's not just that JBR walk is there. From there to the beach as well. There are some shopping for babies. And this looks like fun. Mama, you want to play something? Yeah. You want to play something? I can see Cheesecake Factory.
You can?
Ah,
Fine. Where is it?
it's on the right. And a lot of kids area. And there is waiting to get into Cheesecake Factory. Let's see if we can get in.
After 4 years.
But there's waiting. It's the Cheesecake Factory. I think there's a 1 hour waiting. It's very popular, I guess. How much?
5 minutes to 1 hour.
Hello. Guys, we finally got a table at the Cheesecake Factory. And let me tell you, this view is amazing. Let me show it to you. This is what it looks like from where we are eating at the moment. That's the JBR walk for you. Right, it's sitting at Cheesecake Factory. That's the address. If you want a hotel right at the beach, there's Starbucks Reserve as well. And for dinner, actually we had a very heavy sort of, what do you call it, supper sort of thing. तो हमने बस एक सैलड मंगाया है और एक लोटस कुकी लाटे जो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. That we are enjoying.
And we are actually waiting for the Dubai Eye to do lit up.
Yeah.
हम जब आए थे तो इस पे बहुत ही सुंदर लाइट चली हुई थी तो हमें लग रहा था कि रहेंगी बट वो बंद हो गई हैं तो now we are waiting कि दोबारा आए. We were actually waiting for that.
Yeah.
And this coffee is so amazing. This is amazing coffee.
They put
And funny thing, साथ में ही स्टारबक्स रिजर्व है जो हम इतने टाइम से ढूंढ रहे थे कि दुबई में कहाँ पर है। एंड ये हमने पहली बार हमने शिकागो में देखा था, कहाँ देखा था, शंघाई
शंघाई शिकागो में तो बाद में है।
हाँ तो बट हम वहाँ ना जाके हम यहाँ की कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं, एक्चुअली यम, सो
राइट।
गुड कॉल।
तो अब ऐसा है कि हमें तो बड़ा फोमो तो नहीं बोलूँगा कि अब हमें क्योंकि कल हमें पैकिंग भी करनी है, तो हमें बड़ा डिप्रेसिंग थोड़ा सा लग रहा है
कि ओ नो वापस जाना है।
एंड माई व्यू पॉइंट अबाउट दुबई हैज़ कम्प्लीटली चेंज। तो विल टॉक अबाउट इट नॉट एट द मोमेंट, बट या जाने का मन नहीं है, बट there is nothing we can do to go back and slog at work. So yeah, so see you in a bit, and we'll end it on a positive note. There is still some food to be eaten, some street food that we need to taste. So let's see what we can get. This is the Ferris wheel. Oh, Merck ने EQS का वो किया है. EQS is their electric.
That's what they were testing.
Oh, nice branding. Yes, we can see it. I'm your potential customer. So yeah, that's the Dubai Eye, all lit up in its glory at night. This is for you, Dubai. That's a nice end to what has been an eventful night. Still not over yet. But yeah, Tanya wants to play a game as well. So yeah, let's check that out. There are my two lovely ladies.
Worth it.
Worth it. Worth the wait.
Worth the wait. Yeah.
So I think
beautiful.
it had some technical glitch.
Yeah, I can see the glitches. Kuch lights are not moving as expected.
Yeah. Let me try and zoom in.
I think that's what they were looking to test.
Let me try and zoom in more.
Let's not find faults.
Let me see if I. Tanya wants to play a game, and I know it's all rigged, but let her give it a try. Focus on one.
क्या कहता?
देख ले, हाँ चल, एक ही चांस मिलेगा. सेट कर उसको. I think Tanya has not seen all the videos. Tanya has not seen the videos of why this is a scam, and no one ever wins on this. हाँ हाँ कर दे. Mama got scammed. Mama got scammed. Mama would learn her lesson like this only.
फाइनली यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम से अंकित की नज़र थी हाउस ऑफ पॉप्स. बेसिकली हमने कब जब से आए हमने एक भी आइसक्रीम नहीं खाई है, एंड इट हैज़ गॉट सम अमेजिंग फ्लेवर्स. एंड व्हिच वन डिड वी चूज?
Blueberry lemonade.
You want that, Ruhi? Okay. Do you have blueberry lemonade?
Yes,
Blueberry lemonade?
we don't have.
So?
Blackberry, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, blackberry.
Yeah.
It's there? Yeah, we'll take one blackberry lemonade.
Ты меня не слушаешь? Вот, нет. Куда руки взяла? Крепко держи, пойдем.
Thank you.
Look at that. Look at that, Baba. Look at that.
And the good thing about this was it's, I think, sugar free, no preservatives, very natural ice cream, 100% natural.
Not bad.
So let me try it. बहुत ठंडी. So now we'll enjoy this. Ruhi, do you want it?
Guys, we are at the Marina Walk. अभी हम एक ब्रिज के ऊपर हैं. You can see the sky, not the sky, sort of skyline I would say. But let me show you the view. Look at this. Amazing view. There's Babba. You can see Dubai at the background. So the JBR Walk and the Marina Walk are close by. It's a Blah Blah Club. That's a very famous club. Yeah, let's take some pictures. It's almost midnight here in again. Yes, this was our last day here in Dubai. We're going back to India tomorrow. We have a flight in the morning. We have a Babba with us who's very active and enjoying. We are back in our hotel. I think हम खाना खाते हैं. This is how it looks like at night. सुबह का जो होता है. Right. And yeah, let me show you the view. Not this one. This is beautiful. Evergreen as always. But this is what the marina looks like on a weekend. All lit up. Amazing skyline. Skyline नहीं बोलूँगा, बहुत high rises नहीं है, but still worth a shot.
No, I think because we are seeing it from a very close distance, ना.
हाँ.
अगर यही आप दूर से देखो तो
दूर से देखो, but यहाँ दूर से पता नहीं कहाँ से आएगा व्यू. But
there are view points दूर से देखने के लिए, हम गए नहीं हैं.
But there are cruise yachts, cruises, Dhau cruises going on. Everyone's enjoying. Everyone's like, अब तो party time शुरू हुआ है.
I know.
Though unfortunately we can't do any party, but we have had our share of fun.
We have done
Ruhi,
a
how
lot
did you
of-
like Dubai?
Ruhi, you want to say anything? How do you like Dubai? You enjoyed it, right? You enjoyed it?
मतलब जब मैं आया था, I think first day Miracle Garden was good, but मुझे थोड़ा सा okay लगा. But after that, I think day on day, every day, it has been something new. It has been something amazing. और जो वो tourist paradise types बोलते हैं, this place definitely features.
On top of it.
On top of it, yes. मतलब you have money, you can enjoy a lot. Even if you don't have, I think even on a budget trip,
Yeah.
you can enjoy a lot. So yeah, this is us signing off from Dubai. And
नहीं अभी सुबह भी होगी.
अच्छा सुबह भी होगी.
Flight लेनी है अभी हमें.
मतलब we'll not be able to show you all the glitzy, glamorous
Yeah.
stuff, but yes, we have tons of other regions, cities that we are going to.
Plans. We'll let you know soon.
Yes. So hopefully you enjoyed this series. If you think there are any questions that you have,
Oh yeah.
I mean ये तो बहुत ही generic सा हमने vlog बनाया है. If you feel there are some questions that you want us to make videos on, we can definitely do that and help you out in your planning. But yeah, this is.
Sleepy now.
Oh, she's sleeping. Okay. So we are signing off. Take care. Bye. See you soon.